Kings and Queens, Saundra Fenwick, your mortgage consultant, coming on to talk to you about the difference between FHA and conventional financing. Now, you may be scrolling through Zillow or Redfin or HomeSnap or whatever you're using, and you might see in the description for a property, conventional financing only. Why is that? There could be a couple reasons. Now, the first reason is conventional is a harder loan to get approved for. Conventional's minimum credit score is 620 and FHA's minimum credit score is 580. And it's just a little bit stricter when it comes to guidelines. So they may say, a listing agent may think that a conventional buyer may be a better fit. They may think that because it's conventional that it's likely that this loan is going to get to closing. And that's simply not true. We choose FHA versus conventional versus what's best for you. Now, you might be a 780 credit score, and we might compare, or I will compare conventional versus FHA. FHA always has a lower rate, so sometimes it may make more sense to you, for you, in your monthly payment to go with an FHA loan. Right now, I priced a loan yesterday, and FHA, the rate was 6.125. This is for a 658 credit score. It was 6.125. Conventional was 7.25%, and it cost $12,000 in points. So in this case, in this type of market, FHA was the better loan for my client. It was the better loan. It made more sense overall. So when listing agents are looking at offers, and they may have multiple offers for this property, they may look at choosing a conventional over a FHA just because it looks better on paper and it's harder to get. But that doesn't mean that a FHA borrower is a lesser qualified borrower. You still have to qualify. We still have to do our due diligence to make sure that you qualify. We have to look at all of your documents, and we have to run your file through an automated system that everyone uses called DU or LP, and we have to get an approval before we write you a pre-approval letter. So just because you have an FHA loan does not mean that you're a lesser borrower, or you may not make it to the closing table. Now, the other reason why they may say FHA only, it could be a condo that's not FHA approved, and there could be several reasons why they're not FHA approved. But the condo association did not get approval from the FHA board, and they just don't take FHA financing. Secondly, it may say FHA only because there may be something wrong with the house. So you have to do your due diligence, get your home inspection, because the FHA appraiser is going to go through that house. They're not only appraising it for the value, but they're also looking at things that may be hazardous to you. I had a client that had security bars on the window. The FHA appraiser made her take those off because it wasn't a way to easily open those bars and get out just in case of a fire. Somebody had a broken pipe in the back that somebody could have tripped over and got hurt, and also it could damage the water filter. They made them fix that before they passed the appraisal. So FHA is a great loan. It's still a great loan. Conventional is a great loan. It does not matter if you have conventional, FHA, VA, USDA. If your lender did their due diligence before they pre-approved you, then you should be a great candidate to buy any home that you want. And those homes that only take conventional financing, do your due diligence to find out why. All right, if you have any questions about this, please give me a call. My cell phone is 301-326-7555. Be sure to comment below, DM me, and please share, guys. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.